Hello, this is Claudia McGilkey and my partner Jerry Beasley with Gulf Coast Luxury Real Estate. It's this custom home off of Avalon in Milton, Florida. This home is unique because it has two gorgeous porches. A front porch for morning coffee, enjoying a book. Beautiful stained glass window as you come into the house. Open floor plan. Beautiful design granite countertops. Large pantry that opens up on this side. So you don't actually have a closet, you'll have this instead, which is nice. Slow close on all the cabinets. You have a stove, stainless steel appliances, microwave. Let's go on over here to the primary suite. So actually you have your laundry room over here. And then the garage area, which is, this home is elevated because it's close to the water here. So you actually have boat dock launch and can go kayaking, paddleboarding, whatever you wish. Here's the primary suite with beautiful barnyard doors that goes into an ensuite with granite countertops, tile flooring, beautiful custom shower, all laid in with tile, and then a gorgeous custom walk-in closet with all the shelving. All the shelving in this home is all done in wood, and it has trim over all the doors. Truly a beautiful home. Show you down to the garage area. It's elevated. Like I said, this house is, it's almost like standing on stilts. It's actually got 7 stairs to go up. Let's go over to the other side. The other side of this home sparks a bedroom here, which then goes into a Jack and Jill bathroom. So you have a separate sink here. Then you'll have your bathroom. Then it's got pocket doors to seal this side off. And then on this side, you have another sink and a closet and another bedroom. And then let us go into another bedroom with barnyard doors and a full bath. This is now an ensuite. So you have, like, you can have in-laws, guests that can come. They have their own private little area. This home sits on a corner lot. So you've got great yards, beautiful all new construction out in this area right now. Like I said, the Blackwater River is right around the corner. I want to take you out here to the back porch area, which is absolutely stunning. So you can see how much property you have. And the property is all level, which is nice. So if you want to put in a swimming pool and so forth, absolutely wonderful. The HOA in this area is non-restricted, and it is $65 a year. Mm-hmm.
So, Claudia, how would you like to sit out here for afternoon tea?
I would absolutely like to sit out here for afternoon tea, or even a nice glass of wine, or Moscow Mule would be nice. So come join me. If you're interested in this home, give me a buzz, because I'm giving away a home security system, Ring doorbell, the whole 9 yards to any one of my customers who is looking to purchase this. My name is Claudia McGilkey, and my telephone number is 850-485-0353. My partner Jerry Beasley's number is
850-468-2544. And Claudia, thank you for showing us this beautiful custom home.
You are so welcome.